Alright, now if you've never had a Blondie, it's basically like a white chocolate brownie, but let's make some from Fitzbillies Bakery. To get started, we're going to need to melt our white chocolate, so we're going to take a heat-proof bowl and over some simmering water, add in 6.5 ounces of some white chocolate chips and 7.5 ounces of some unsalted butter, and you're going to mix until well combined. Then in a separate large mixing bowl, we're going to add 4 large eggs along with 7.5 ounces of some white sugar, and you're going to mix this until smooth. Then we're going to take our melted white chocolate and we're going to add this in. Now don't be concerned if the white chocolate has started to separate a little bit from the butter. When you mix this all together, it'll be good. Next, we're going to need 8.25 ounces of some all-purpose flour, and we're going to be adding this in 2 separate batches. So add in the first half, mix until smooth, then add the second half, and you should have a thick mixture. Then we're going to add in 6.5 ounces of some white chocolate chips, 6.5 ounces of fresh raspberries, and the zest of 1 orange, and you're going to mix until everything is incorporated. Now we're going to need to grease a 9 by 13 inch glass pan before adding the batter in. You're going to want to ensure that the batter is smooth. Then we're going to take some more fresh raspberries and push about halfway into the batter before topping with some extra white chocolate chips. And then we're going to put this in a 350 Fahrenheit oven for about 35 minutes until the sides have started to brown. We're going to want to make sure we pull this thing early so that they stay squishy. Once you're done, you should have these amazing blondies where the tart raspberry goes perfect with that rich white chocolate, and they are so good. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.